Ever found yourself wondering how to get your hard-earned cash out of Venmo? Maybe you need it for rent, a big purchase, or just want to withdraw it back to your bank account. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Venmo withdrawals and exploring all the ways you can move your money seamlessly. Let's be honest, sometimes Venmo can feel like a digital wallet with a mind of its own. You send money, receive money, and then, what? Where does it all go? Fear not, fellow Venmo users, because we're about to unlock the secrets of withdrawing your funds and taking back control of your money. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Venmo actually is. In a nutshell, it's a peer-to-peer payment platform that makes it super easy to send and receive money from friends, family, and even businesses. Whether it's splitting a restaurant bill, chipping in for a gift, or getting paid for that freelance gig, Venmo has streamlined the process. But here's the thing, Venmo isn't just for sending money. It's also a way to store your funds. And sometimes, you might need to access those funds outside of the Venmo ecosystem. Maybe you need to pay a bill that doesn't accept Venmo, or perhaps you simply prefer to keep your money in your traditional bank account. So, how do you actually get your money out of Venmo? Let's explore the main methods. 1. Instant transfer to a bank account. This is arguably the most popular and convenient method. Venmo offers instant transfers to your linked bank account. This means your funds are typically available within minutes, depending on your bank's processing times. However, there's a catch: instant transfers usually come with a small fee. It's a trade-off for the speed and convenience. To initiate an instant transfer, simply open the Venmo app, tap on the Balance tab, select Transfer, choose your bank account, and select Instant Transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions and confirm the transfer. 2. Standard bank transfer. If you're not in a rush to get your money, the standard bank transfer is a free option. As the name suggests, it takes a bit longer for the funds to reach your bank account. Typically, it can take 1 to 3 business days. To initiate a standard transfer, follow the same steps as the instant transfer, but instead of selecting Instant Transfer, choose Standard Transfer. 3. Using a Venmo debit card. Venmo offers a debit card linked to your Venmo balance. This card allows you to use your Venmo funds at any ATM or point-of-sale terminal that accepts MasterCard. Withdrawing cash from an ATM using your Venmo debit card might incur fees, depending on the ATM operator. Using the card for purchases is generally fee-free, but keep in mind that you're spending directly from your Venmo balance. 4. Venmo credit card, if eligible. If you're eligible for the Venmo credit card, you can use it for purchases and then pay it off using your Venmo balance. This can help you earn rewards and build credit. However, it's crucial to use the card responsibly and pay off your balance on time to avoid interest charges. Important considerations. Before initiating any transfers, ensure that your bank account is properly linked to your Venmo account. Review the fees associated with each transfer method carefully. Instant transfers usually come with a fee, while standard transfers are typically free. Check your Venmo balance regularly to keep track of your available funds. Be mindful of potential scams and fraudulent activity. Always double-check the recipient's information before sending money. Tips and tricks. If you frequently need to withdraw funds, consider linking a bank account with faster processing times to minimize delays. Explore the Venmo fee schedule in detail to understand all the associated costs. Take advantage of any promotional offers or fee waivers that Venmo may offer from time to time. If you encounter any issues with withdrawals, contact Venmo customer support for assistance. Visuals and engagement. Throughout the video, use clear and concise visuals to guide viewers through the steps involved in each withdrawal method. Incorporate on-screen text to highlight key information and make it easier for viewers to follow along. Use engaging visuals like animations, graphics, and potentially even screen recordings of the Venmo app to enhance the viewer experience. Consider adding a touch of humor or personality to keep viewers entertained and engaged. Have you ever had any trouble withdrawing money from Venmo? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content on all things finance and technology. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.